Garri is a major food for millions of people in West Africa, mostly Ghana, Sierra Leone, and Nigeria. One cannot claim to have eaten any West African food without having eaten garri. It is mostly eaten as eba, or garri paste. How is this popular food product made? It is traditionally made at home everywhere in Africa, but it is now increasingly becoming common to produce garri commercially using mechanized processing equipment. To make garri, cassava tubers are harvested and peeled. The white pulp is grated using a mechanical grater. Before introduction of machines, all cassava was grated by hand. The grated cassava is then put into a plastic mesh or jute sack, and the sack is tied. Traditionally, this is left to ferment for 3 to 7 days depending on the type of garri. This step is very important, as the fermentation process helps to reduce and detoxify the cyanide-producing compounds in many cassava varieties. The sacks are stacked, one on top of the other, and a wooden board is placed below and above the sacks. The wooden boards form a press with the sacks of grated cassava in between. Pressure applied to boards forces water to run out of the sacks of grated cassava. This fermented and pressed grated cassava is now sieved to remove large particles and fibers. The sieved grain-like bits are collected for further processing. The bits are roasted in a large pot by stirring continuously to avoid burning until they become crisp. The finished cooked or baked product is what is called garri.